Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're going to show you how to install the AeroGain Shiv Bottle Mount. In the package you will receive the cover, the mount, 2 M16 and 2 M10 bolts and a zip tie. What we need to do first is take the 2 M16 bolts, attach this to the cover where we put the narrow end at the back, using your 3mm Allen key. Then remove the original cover. And to fit this correctly, you want to remove the bladder slightly from the fin. Slide this cover in. It is a tight fit so that the bladder does not ride up. To make sure that it's completely secure, you can take your zip tie, thread it through the hole and tighten at the front. You then can use the 2 M10 bolts to attach your bottle case, and then you're ready to go.